Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that price made a nice late day move. Sure, the price did pull back here a little bit right there, but where it closed relative to where it was at the low point, I think everybody would agree, yeah, the bulls made some progress today. But that segues into the very logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on a single point. And answering that question revolves around right there at $4.50. Why is $4.50 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $4.50. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of that range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of that range, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps starting to progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. Over time, it's going to make progress in the upwards direction. And I'm just defining and quantifying quote unquote progress as $4.50. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. That one continues to slope down. So if this price movement does get moving back up, very interested to see how the price reacts around the purple line. If it can break through that 50-period, next key level, that red line there that I denoted from a couple days ago, up there at $5.20. But no point in talking about $5.20 right now until the price can first show that it can break up above that 50-period simple moving average. So no doubt about it, nice bounce today on the bulls part. Is there any sort of true bounce behind this move? Well, let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.